Using Webflow templates can speed up the design process and help you create professional-looking websites quickly. Here's how to use Webflow templates. Choose a template. Visit the Webflow template marketplace. Browse through various templates categorized by industry, purpose, or style. Select a template that fits your project's needs and click on it to view details. Purchase or install the template. If the template is free, click the Use for Free button. For paid templates, click the Purchase button, complete the payment process, and then click Add to My Projects. Create a new project. After selecting the template, click on Create Project. Enter a name for your project and click Create Project again to start with the chosen template. Customize the template. Open your new project in the Webflow Designer. Modify the template to suit your brand by changing colors, fonts, images, and text. Use the Style panel to adjust CSS properties. Customize the layout by adding, removing, or rearranging elements as needed. Add content. Replace placeholder text and images with your content. Use the CMS Collections feature for dynamic content like blogs or product listings. Ensure all links and buttons direct to the correct pages or sections. Optimize and test. Preview your site on different devices using Webflow's responsive design tools. Test all functionality, including forms, links, and animations. Publish your site. Once satisfied with the design, click the Publish button in the top right corner to make your site live.